Have you ever wondered why there seems to be a curtain of secrecy draped over the world's affairs? Why the powers that be, whether they be governments or religious institutions, often appear to withhold information from the public? We live in an age of rapid change and uncertainty. The landscapes of our planet are transforming, societies are evolving, and conflicts continue to erupt. Yet many feel left in the dark, uninformed about the true nature of these events. But a few, those with open hearts and minds, are beginning to see through the obscurity. They are the pioneers pushing against the door of ignorance, shedding light on reality, and inspiring others to do the same. Centuries ago, a wise teacher proclaimed, "I have come that ye shall have life and have it more abundantly." This message, promising a life of abundance, is long overdue for realization by the people of Earth. Remember, the light is always with you. It serves you, provided you wield it for the greater good. Attempting to manipulate these forces for nefarious purposes will only yield a negative outcome. The universe is finely balanced, and any disruption to this equilibrium, whether through thought or action, triggers a reaction. This is the law of cause and effect, the cosmic principle of as you sow, so shall ye reap. As humans, we share a common bond with the Creator. We are all interconnected, all one. It is only when we delude ourselves into thinking we are superior, that we are alone, that we lose sight of this fundamental truth. The people of Earth are on the brink of a profound lesson, a sudden, perhaps shocking realization of our unity with one another. Those who have embraced love and understanding will be tasked with guiding others through this awakening. This shift is necessary for Earth to fulfill its place in the cosmic scheme. Consider the joy we could experience if we chose to love and understand one another. A world free from war and hate, where everyone's material needs are met. Such a life would be a true paradise. Yet many have been led down a path of destruction for so long, they believe there is no alternative. This is a man-made illusion, not the divine reality. The blame for our struggles and suffering is often misplaced on the Creator. But the truth is, we must look within ourselves for the answers. We are the architects of our destiny. It's time for a change. It's time to sow seeds of love and understanding. This is the path to true happiness. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Open your minds, open your hearts, and strive for love and understanding. This is not just a call to action, but a call to awakening.